抬，抬，抬。
lift, raise,
lift, raise.
你能帮我把床往那儿抬一下吗？你能帮我把床往那儿抬一下吗？你能帮我把床往那儿抬一下吗？
Could you help me lift the bed over there?
Could you help me lift the bed over there?
这张床太重了，我们俩抬不动。这张床太重了，我们俩抬不动。这张床太重了，我们俩抬不动。
The bed is too heavy for both of us to lift.
The bed is too heavy for both of us to lift.
先把胳膊抬起来，然后把左腿抬起来。先把胳膊抬起来，然后把左腿抬起来。先把胳膊抬起来，然后把左腿抬起来。
Lift your arms first, then your left leg.
Lift your arms first, then your left leg.
把头抬起来，然后慢慢地把手举起来。把头抬起来，然后慢慢地把手举起来。把头抬起来，然后慢慢地把手举起来。
Lift your head and then slowly raise your hands.
Lift your head and then slowly raise your hands.
胳膊，胳膊，胳膊。
Arm,
Arm.
他在训练中把胳膊的肌肉拉伤了。他在训练中把胳膊的肌肉拉伤了。他在训练中把胳膊的肌肉拉伤了。
He pulled a muscle in his arm during training.
He pulled a muscle in his arm during training.
他的胳膊上有一道疤痕。他的胳膊上有一道疤痕。他的胳膊上有一道疤痕。
He has a scar on his arm.
He has a scar on his arm.
训练后，我的胳膊感觉有点酸痛。训练后，我的胳膊感觉有点酸痛。训练后，我的胳膊感觉有点酸痛。
After the training, my arms felt a little sore.
After the training, my arms felt a little sore.
转，转，转。
Turn,
Turn.
向左转，然后向右转，就到达目的地。向左转，然后向右转，就到达目的地。向左转，然后向右转，就到达目的地。
turn left, then right, and you'll reach your destination.
Turn left, then right, and you'll reach your destination.
我现在已经转为正式的员工。我现在已经转为正式的员工。我现在已经转为正式的员工。
I have now become a full-time employee.
I have now become a full-time employee.
最后，话题转到钱的问题上。最后，话题转到钱的问题上。最后，话题转到钱的问题上。
Finally, the topic turned to money.
Finally, the topic turned to money.
租，租，租。
Rent.
Rent.
这个房子我不租了。这个房子我不租了。这个房子我不租了。
I won't rent this house anymore.
I won't rent this house anymore.
这里环境很好，可是房租太贵了。这里环境很好，可是房租太贵了。这里环境很好，可是房租太贵了。
The environment here is very good, but the rent is too expensive.
The environment here is very good, but the rent is too expensive.
这套房子有2个房间，你可以把其中一个租出去。这套房子有2个房间，你可以把其中一个租出去。这套房子有2个房间，你可以把其中一个租出去。
This house has 2 rooms. You can rent one of them out.
This house has 2 rooms. You can rent one of them out.
吵，吵，吵。
Noisy. Quarrel.
Noisy. Quarrel.
这里周围环境很吵。这里周围环境很吵。这里周围环境很吵。
The surroundings are very noisy.
The surroundings are very noisy.
我被邻居的吉他声吵醒了。我被邻居的吉他声吵醒了。我被邻居的吉他声吵醒了。
I was woken up by the sound of my neighbor's guitar.
I was woken up by the sound of my neighbor's guitar.
不要为了一些芝麻绿豆的事就吵起来。不要为了一些芝麻绿豆的事就吵起来。不要为了一些芝麻绿豆的事就吵起来。
Don't quarrel over trivial matters.
Don't quarrel over trivial matters.
厨房，厨房，厨房。
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
我花了1个下午来收拾厨房。我花了1个下午来收拾厨房。我花了1个下午来收拾厨房。
I spent the whole afternoon cleaning the kitchen.
I spent the whole afternoon cleaning the kitchen.
他把厨房收拾得干干净净。他把厨房收拾得干干净净。他把厨房收拾得干干净净。
She cleaned the kitchen.
She cleaned the kitchen.
他每天都会在厨房准备早餐、午餐和晚餐。他每天都会在厨房准备早餐、午餐和晚餐。他每天都会在厨房准备早餐、午餐和晚餐。
She prepares breakfast, lunch and dinner in the kitchen every day.
She prepares breakfast, lunch and dinner in the kitchen every day.
谢谢观看。